What's up, art supporters and creators? Dazzle Arts here, bringing you another video. Today we'll be doing a freehand drawing of Khalid, the musician. At the end of the video, I will be making the character talk, so stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. It's going to be a speed art because this drawing took me at least, I think it was about 2 hours. So if this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's go.
there's so many levels from recording in this space well, first off, for me, I definitely start at my house with like, okay, what am I going through today mentally? Am I happy? Am I sad? Am I whatever? Then you take it to this place, you get to the studio, you're like, okay, let me tell you guys what I was just thinking about. What can we do? Then you do it, you finish it, you go through the mixing, the mastering, wrap that song up with a bow, and then you give it to the world. So then you think about the first impact that it has on people in their ears. Then you take it to tour.